PDP. You see, Wike is gone. Otilo, I need you people to move on. Just move on, oh, because if you are waiting for Wike, Wike has gone to the next level. He's gone. Otilo is ango. Hey, oya support Otilo. Wike is ango.
I don't want to support any APC person. When they run for election, even if the APC can't call River State. So River State take, I know they support them. I don't enter politics. Say, would they do them days, say, if from River State, if from a, no, na party will they talk. Because na party, na the motto, who drive us. Nobody say, if they defeat you for your opinion, you run. I don't go do it again. Nobody say, no, that time, you know, a true party person.
So we make no expect say you go ever defect or come out from PDP?
Come on to go where?
Things will change. We don't say it happen.
I get malaria. Now cancer they find. Why they talk like that? I get malaria. Where they easy to treat. Now one man go cancer, why go die immediately? Which party? APC. I have no idea talk like that. Party we don't kill Nigeria. Where we go now? Only fight one and fight my PDP, I will fight them there. If they win me, they win me. If I win them, I win them there. I need to run that body there. I mean, I know some do not fit to win me. I will like that, will fight them there. But to leave PDP, we get malaria. Go APC, we get cancer. Ah. Come. And the stage of the cancer, whether for APC, now the fourth stage, where they say, doctor, they talk, say, it's the hard. If I want, they say, now first stage, make it call God, say, okay. It don't happen. Now I want to make I go.
Only one person can be a minister from a state. I will not be a minister. I will not. I will not. I'm not a liability.
I know that you are laughing when you watch that video. That is the same laugh that I am laughing. Because the very day I watched that video, I did not believe a single word that Governor Wike was saying. A single word that Governor Wike said in that video, that time that he said, I cannot go to APC, I cannot do this, I cannot do that. I knew he didn't mean what he was saying. He's a politician. If you don't believe before that, you don't have to believe what the politician is saying. This video is what is happening now is supposed to open your eyes so that you are not fighting on behalf of these people. The same person that said that he will never leave PDP or do anything with APC is the same person today that is battling and saying that, trying to prove himself in the Senate. Did you not watch the video? Did you not see the video that he's telling? Do you know that Governor Wike is one man that I've always respected? I respect him so much. I believe in him so much, but I am totally disappointed. Not because he went to APC, not because he left PDP, but it's because that as a man, what classifies you to become a man that you are is how straightforward and sincere you are with what comes out from your mouth. Don't come today. What integrity matters. Integrity matters because if you say something like this today and tomorrow you go and do another thing, how do you want me to even believe you tomorrow when you come out and try to be serious? I cannot trust you. That is where we start having trust issue. Because you vow, you came out and you said never, that you will never leave PDP and go to APC. That you will never. You even did a video that you will not even be, you even talk about rejecting being a minister if they give you. That only one person can become a minister, blah, blah, blah. But look at you today. You went to Senate and you went to defend. You were even debating that they should give you minister. That Tinubu will not regret to work with you. This one down. So was that the reason why you did what you did in River State during the election? Because this one, I don't like to stand for bad things. Because it is clear what you did in River State. I don't want to mention what you did, but what you did in River State is very clear. So is it the reason because of your own selfish interest is what you did in River State just so that you can become a minister at the end of the day? The quest for power is making us sometimes lose our respect in the eyes of people. Somebody like me, I can never believe what Wike is saying. Even if he's telling the truth. You come today, you say, no, this one, I cannot be a minister. I can't work with them. Cancer party. Today you are working with the cancer party. You want to work with them. You are saying that you should give me minister. How do we take you serious? What classifies you as a man is your integrity. Men with integrity are not much in this country. In the world at large, in this country, they are not even much. What you should try to do as a man is try to see how you can even differentiate yourself from the people that talk what they cannot do. Social media never forget. How do you even feel that you watch your own throwback video and you share? Are you not ashamed? The reason why I'm even doing this video is for me to tell PDP to move on. PDP, you see Wike is gone. Otilo, I need you people to move on. Just move on, oh, because if you are waiting for Wike, Wike has gone to the next level. He's gone. Otilo is ango. Hey, we are support Otilo. Wike is ango. Is ango. They are even. What is even making me laugh is that PDP are even scared to even suspend Wike. You are scared to suspend him. What are you waiting for? Suspend him now because clearly he's not in PDP again. He's in APC now. What are you waiting for? PDP. You don't know what you are doing, all of you. Better wake up from your sleep. Wike, we are looking at you. We are looking at you. Continue. You have lost your integrity. Where I am, I don't know about others. I am the spice creator. Even as I'm trying to say Wike has shown us some level that he doesn't have integrity. Some people that are watching this video, you don't have integrity too, so you will support what Wike is doing. They will call me that I don't have sense. I agree. Do I have sense? No. Have I ever claimed that I have sense? No, I don't have sense. But I am the spice creator. This one, you cannot do anything about it. It's my title. Give it to me. Give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar. Yes. Google me if you like. Don't Google me. That is your business.